Guys, for today's video, natapos na po yung promotion ni CIMB na 25% per annum for the month of November and December. Na-credit na po yung interest ng promotion ng up to 25% ng November last December. So, actually, late po ang pag-credit nila. As in, super late. Kasi may unang announcement na after 15 business days, dun siya i-credit. However, nagkaroon daw ng problem yata at na-credit na lang yung interest last December 24. For now, yung December, ang nakikredit pa lang sa mga CIMB account ay yung base interest pa lang na 2.5%. Yun pa lang nakikredit ngayong January. Hintayin po natin yung 15 days bago makredit daw yung full promo interest for December. So, wait po natin. Pero, ang pag-usapan natin kay CIMB ngayon ay mayroon na naman silang panibagong promotion. And medyo mataas din ang interest. Though hindi kasing taas nung 25%, pero it's still worth reviewing. And kamusta ba si CIMB for 2025? Okay pa ba siyang gamitin? Or dahil ba sa interest, mag-switch back na ako? Well, pakinggan nyo po yung reasoning ko about CIMB. So, samahan nyo ako, pag-usapan natin si CIMB for 2025. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience or meron na akong knowledge na ginawa ko na yun ng videos and playlists na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay guys, yeah. So, nabigyan ko na kayo ng current status ng promotion ni CIMB, di ba? Now, for 2025, nag-launch sila ng panibagong promo. But this time, hindi na siya 25%. It's 15% na lang. However, guys, the mechanics of the 25% promo is still the same. So, kailangan mo magkaroon ng ADB increase bago ka magkakaroon ng additional interest. So, ADB increase to guys ha. So, ibig sabihin lang na from December, kailangan may like 50,000 pesos na ADB increase ka para magkaroon ka ng 15% per annum na interest. So, given that, let's say coming from October na 0, naglagay ka ng November to avail ng 25%, and then kailangan mo ulit increasean for the month of December yung ADB mo ng 50,000 pesos para magkaroon ka ulit ng 25% for the month of December. Ngayon, kailangan mo ulit mag-increase ng 50,000 para naman sa 15% na interest. Oops! Iniisip nyo siguro na 15%. Siguro, from November, pag naglagay ako ng 50,000, plus December, naglagay ulit ako ng 50,000, 100,000, tapos ngayon, 150,000. So, yung 150,000 ko ba ay magkakaroon ng 15%? Hindi po. Ang magkakaroon lang ng additional na interest for the promo is yung increase in ADB. Ibig sabihin lang nun, dahil 100,000 na ang pera mo nung December, ADB mo nung December, tapos nag-increase lang ng 50,000 ulit ngayong January, 50,000 lang po ang magkakaroon ng bonus interest for the 15% promo. So, only the ADB increase, hindi necessarily yung buong ADB. So, medyo technical talaga yung mga promo mechanics ni CIMB. Pero guys, kung gusto nyo i-avail yan, why not? Kasi ang laki nga naman talaga ng 15%. The best part here is uncapped tong interest promotion nila. Meaning, hindi siya up to 1 million, hindi siya up to 5 million. Kung may malaking pera ka at nilagay mo dyan, well, congratulations. I believe, kumita ng malaki yung pera nyo. Yan ang promotion nila ngayong January for 2025. Pero ano ba yung mga features ni CIMB na pasok pa rin for this year? First and foremost, si CIMB ay may headquarters yan dito. May nag-iisang branch yan na makikita natin dyan sa may Taguig. So, makikita siya sa 1634 31st Street, Taguig, Metro Manila. And ito yung kanilang branch. Yan. If in case na nagkaroon kayo ng problem, yan, may mapupuntahan naman po kayo kung gusto niyo na face-to-face to resolve your issue. So, pwede kayo pumunta dun sa branch. But, ang highly suggested nila is to transact with them via email or via their customer service number. The base interest na ino-offer ni CIMB ay 2.5%. So, that's for their UpSave account. And then meron 2.5% and then meron din 2.6%. So, it depends kung saan kayo nag-open ng account. Kasi pwede kayo mag-open ng account sa GCash via GSave. Yun, merong CIMB doon na UpSave account. And pwede rin naman kayo mag-open ng account directly sa app ni CIMB. Pero guys, dahil merong mga promotion, merong automatic increase na 1%. So, from 2.5%, kapag may promotion, that's 3.5% na kagad. So, kahit wala kayong gawin, nag-i-increase din yung base interest. With CIMB, still, free bank transfer Katulad siya ng ibang mga banks na kilala natin, Own Bank, C-Bank, Uno Bank, merong mga free bank transfers. Dahil nga you can open an UpSave account sa GCash, cashing in and depositing money to your CIMB account is napakadali and walang bayad. Kung may laman yung GCash nyo, pwede nyo ilagay sa inyong CIMB account para maging safe. And isa sa kinagandahan nito dahil integrated silang dalawa, once na mag-down si GCash, you can still access your account sa CIMB app and do your bank transaction. Pag nag-down si GCash, buhay pa rin ang bank account nyo, makakapag-transact pa rin kayo. Pag nag-down naman si CIMB, which it rarely do, hindi naman din accessible sa GSave kasi yung main database ay nakay CIMB. Last, I think, is isa sa magandang feature ni CIMB na hindi na nila tinanggal. Nagkaroon ng announcement before na tatanggalin nila pero hindi na rin nila tinuloy, which is the life insurance coverage. So, get your insurance protection up to 250,000 by just maintaining a minimum average daily balance of 5,000 pesos. It's rare to have that insurance coverage sa mga banks natin eh. Si Own Bank, wala. Si C-Bank, wala. So, you have to add that service pa. Merong mga additional service si C-Bank for you to get insurance. Pero, yung built-in na sa inyong deposit, di ba? Si CIMB nag-o-offer niyan. Just to have 5,000 ADB. So, yan yung mga okay na features ni CIMB para makapag-bank kayo with CIMB. However, guys, you have to be wary then of some issues na na-experience kay CIMB. Unang-una, yung promotion nila. The interest crediting is based on average daily balance. Meaning, hindi siya katulad ni C-Bank, ni Own Bank, ni Maya, na makikita mo daily yung pagpasok ng interest. Makikita nyo yung interest credited next month na. And for the promotion interest, medyo mas delayed pa. Sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, yung November na 25% promo, na-credit lang ng December 24. Almost tapos na rin yung December bago na-credit. Yan. So, you have to be cautious or worry about the promotions nila. Number 2 thing that you have to consider when banking with CIMB is having your documents properly secured and validated by CIMB. Ang ibig sabihin, notorious si CIMB in closing accounts. Ayan, lalo na kapag hindi nyo nakita yung email nila, parang bibigyan lang kayo ng couple of days, i-close na nila yung account mo. If close naman nila yung account mo, mag-i-email naman sila na paulit-ulit sa'yo na dito mo makiklaim yung pera mo. So, meron silang link na ibibigay sa'yo for you to claim your money. So, ganun. Actually, ganun yung nangyari sa akin. Nakwento ko na sa inyo before na na-close yung account ko with CIMB because nag-email pala sila sa akin nang hihingi sila ng panibagong income documents, 2316. Dahil napunta sa spam, yung email nila, hindi ko nakita. Yun, napansin ko na lang lately na close na pala yung account ko. So, ganon. So, you have to be always checking your CIMB account every now and then, every week, para makita nyo if there are notifications, ganyan. Kasi, pag hindi, matutulad kayo sa akin, na-close na lang yung account. Kung nakita nyo naman yun, na-update nyo yung account nyo, well, it's still good to bank with CIMB. Dahil nga naman, sa free bank transfer. Siguro, last thing to highlight na lang for you to be aware when banking with CIMB is that yung pagka-cash in using other cash in channels like DragonPay, there's a minimum of 5,000 pesos na when cashing in. But there's easy way to fund your CIMB account. You can just InstaPay transfer it using your account number. So, yun, mas mabilis yun at hindi naman minimum ng 5,000 to cash. So, yan si CIMB for 2025. Again, for the promo mechanics of the January promo, ito na lang. Yan. Kasi nga, halos parehas lang naman siya ng promo mechanics ng 25%. Nagbago lang is the percentage, but the increase in average daily balance, it's still the same. Yun. For our question of the day, guys, having a life insurance attached to your savings account, is it a benefit na makaka-encourage sa inyo lumipat ng ibang bank or bank with CIMB? Well, isulat niyo yan sa comment section sa baba at may chance kayong manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay at Benjamin Mayores, III8296. Sabi niya, tingin ko sir hindi po, shoutout po. Yan. At Benjamin Mayores, the third pala yun. Shoutout po sa inyo, maraming salamat sa panonood at pagsuporta ng aking mga videos. Thank you so much. I hope you like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala na problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabing subscribe para ma-receive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto, and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!